What's up guys, Matt here, RollingHeavyMagazine. Okay, it's a brisk 32 degrees here in Kingman, Arizona this morning. What are we doing in Kingman? It's a good question. The other day we drove out to Lake Havasu to meet up.
Roll sound.
Rolling. Sound production, take 2.
What's up guys, Matt here, RollingHeavyMagazine. Okay, it's a brisk 32 degrees here in Kingman, Arizona. What are we doing in Kingman? It's a good question. The other day we drove out to Lake Havasu to meet up with our buddy Harry. He had some parts we bought off him a little while ago. We had to come pick them up. While we were there, he was telling us some great stories about this time capsule of a junkyard right off of 40 East up in Kingman, Arizona. We were pretty close, so we figured we'd stick around and go check it out. Now, as we drove into Kingman, I saw the junkyard, and it dawned on me. I've seen this junkyard probably 24 times traveling cross country over the years, and I've always wondered what's in there. Well, he showed me some pictures. Looks pretty good. They were closed yesterday. They're open today, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. So we figured you guys want to come along with us. So here we go, let's go check it out. Okay guys, we just got back from Arizona, 5 hours and some change on the road, but we're back. We're gonna go ahead and unload what we got, and we'll show you guys here in a minute. Now, unfortunately, some of the yards we went to weren't cool with us filming in there, so we had to respect that. It's insurance for them or whatever, I don't know. But we respect that, 'cause we want to be able to come back and say, yeah, good stuff. But just to kind of give you a sneak peek real fast, we got a couple things. So we're gonna get all this stuff unloaded, and then we'll show you guys what we got. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we got the van unloaded, and we are going to show you guys what we got. We're losing daylight really fast, so we're going to hurry up and get this knocked out so we can kind of get stuff put away before it gets dark. But we wanted to show you really fast, so check it out. Boom. There's the haul from today, or from the Arizona trip. It's a pretty good haul if I don't say so myself. A lot of this stuff's getting hard to find. First off, Crank out bubble side window, also could be used for a sunroof if you're adventurous. A lot of naysayers are going to say, oh, you can't do that. Whatever, it's your van, you can do what you want. Next up, the elusive Chevy van step mats. Obviously the fronts are good for all three, Mopar, Ford, or Chevy, or GMC if you want to get all technical. Side one's actually for the Chevy, so those are cool. Next up, Chevy GMC slider extender. We actually need this for one of our project vehicles up in Washington, so we're stoked to have that. We're going to definitely keep that. Next over, sport mirrors for a Dodge, as you would find on your street van. Very cool. The bases are always gone and usually kind of hard to find. The heads are still available on eBay for reproduction. These are super clean and desert fresh. We'll probably be getting rid of these because we don't need them. Next up, the ever popular 71 through 84 Chevy GMC Tail Lights with the trim rings. All the guys backdating their vans want these, so we've got those. Over here, set of slot mags. Now we actually found these on Craigslist on the drive back, so we just kind of grabbed them along the way because it was convenient, and well, they're rad mags. 1510s, 15.7s. The backs are 5-on-5 direct bolt. The fronts are 5-on-5 that somebody machined out to fit early Dodge, early Ford, so that would be 5-on-4.5 to 5-on-5. Cooper Cobra radial GTs, 275 60-15s. Now if you are a date conscious guy, these are not the tires for you. And a lot of you guys get weird about that stuff. I personally don't care. These came off of a running driving truck and they were good to go. There's no cracks. I would run them all day long. And last but not least, the super bitchin' little porthole window. There's only one, the other one was gone, so we grabbed it. Good for somebody that wants to just have one, or if you got the other one, then you got a match. And of course, last but not least, this bar is sick. Our buddy Harry pulled this for us and was hanging on to it for us, so thanks Harry, you're the man. Ice box is there, the fresh or the water tank's in there, everything's there. Cool little bar, but that's it. We're losing the daylight. I gotta go, I gotta get this stuff put away. If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel so we can do more stuff like this. We're approaching 1,000 followers and we could really use the boost to get up there. We're gonna keep cranking this stuff out and we hope you dig it. Anyway, I gotta go. Daylight is about gone and we will catch you later. Have a great day. Thanks, bye.